Hi friends, this is Barbara and I am back with another crockpot meal. This is going to be a gratin cheeseburger. So we want to dump our potatoes in the crockpots. Then we want to add 3/4 cup of milk. One tablespoon. Okay, no, not that, not yet. Okay, a tablespoon of garlic. Let's just use the whole thing. Yum, yum, yum. Okay, and then we're going to stir that around. We got more to add. Those 2 packets that come in the au gratin potatoes, yeah, pour that in there. Get all of that in there. And give it a little mixy mix. Okay, I need to get a 1.5 cups of water. Okay, that's 1.5 cups of water. Okay, I mix that up the bestest as I can. Okay, pour that right on top of your potatoes. Looking good, looking good. Okay. Okay, in the pan, I have 1 pound of ground turkey. Okay, and then what I'm going to want to do is throw in 1 chopped up medium onion. And we're going to want to break that up. What I like to do is, because I want this to taste like hamburger, because all I had was turkey. I didn't have any hamburger. So we just got to, make it make. And I am going to throw in some bouillon beef powder. Okay, so let's throw in more. So a tablespoon altogether, okay? That's going to help it taste like beef, okay? So that's what we could do to get that beef flavor into our turkey. And we're just going to want to get that all fried up. I don't know why I got that when I got this. Okay, friends, now we're going to take that cooked ground turkey with the onions in it. And we're just going to spread that out. This is au gratin cheeseburger, or cheeseburger au gratin. Either way you want to put it, it's fine with me. Okay, and then from there, because if it's cheeseburger, how about we do some dill pickle on top? I thought it was a good idea. Big whopping spoon. Okay. Just a little bit more on the end. Okay, that's done with. Put a lid on it. Turn it to high. Cook it till the potatoes are done. Okay. My good, gosh. You know what? I almost forgot the best parts. How could I? Okay, you're also going to want to spread some cheese on there. I would have just felt so disappointed in myself if this was done and then I discovered I forgot the cheese. I would not be having a good day. I really wouldn't. Okay. Now we could put the lid on it. Okay, remember what I said. Until the potatoes are done. Okie dokie. Ooh, that is definitely done. Let's get in there. Alrighty. Well, that looks good. Let's just put the lid back on it. And I just threw a few tomatoes on the side. I just want to take a bite of that cheese and the hamburger and the potato. And I know that it is crazy hot. Not too shabby. Yeah, I like it. Honestly, I think I might put some ketchup here on the side. Okay, friends. This is very good. Potatoes are done. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos, please subscribe. Okay, friends, keep on cooking, and I love you all.